Kadon kajing syak tombor kipat khasi besa hamujem ilaka labang nong pelut blok 1 hakipat karbi benakas nong mathadi menhakini kisngi kidukot ka KSU West Giant Hills District Unit lembat ki pulit na baratu outpost kilahiar menemen step syakani ka jaka tangba ki Meghalaya Police kim tresyu benjam syakmat Maria Poi hakas nong mukoilum kadba kipat karbi bat ki Assam Police kilapoi hadu mujem nakalian ki dekot ka KSU West Giant Hills District Unit kila lej bantur tang paramaki syamujem
he or she might be a wrong number. Yeah, you should know about that. So we have already talked about the matters. So no need to talk anymore.
I do. Alam magede.
So we'll do like this. We'll do like this. Both the villages will gather in one place, and with this we will call all the leaders. So we'll discuss regarding this problem. Okay. Otherwise, we will not confirm about this problem. We will not compromise.
You do like this. You first time, sir. You talk there. We will discuss there.
Yes.
Then before we spread each other,
But
we will
today
talk.
no need. Yes. But
Okay.
We'll select a particular date. We'll select
Information.
Yes.
Okay, we'll do like this. Now, from both sides, village committee, you have meeting here. We people, we will stay there.
Because we don't want hatred among these two villages.
We don't want anything to happen to bad. We want to settle it. If you want anything, we have to settle it peacefully.
The thing is that they have did wrong. They are coming and destroying our properties. This are not supposed to be done by them.
Yes. What have been done? There's nothing to do. We cannot do anything. So what we have to do now is for today, let both the village committee will discuss here. We will stay there. Whatever the result is, then we will be happy. ठीक है ना? गौरा बात करो हम लोग की
for today we discuss
only Gogura village committee. Yes. You do like this for today.
We will only talk
About only the.
We will fix a date.
Yes.
About the date.
We
Today,
cannot conclude this matter.
let the village committee from Mokhade and from we have a meeting. Then they will fix the date.
And we'll discuss about this
Whoever
matter.
you will call your authority. We also will call our authority. Then we will solve everything. Okay. With proper documents. Verbally we cannot do anything. Okay. Headman. Talk.
Headman.
মিলাপ হ'ব লাগে আমিতো সদায় মিলা মিলি প্ৰবলেম নাই হেনতে কিমান কাম কৰিছে আমি disturb কৰা নাই
We don't need all the things, no. The only things we need is the
understanding among
documents. Documents we need.
Militants are one things because we come. They do not know. Actually, the information we got from here. We got from here, no. Then as soon as
the information.
last night, Mogilim outpost they called to Ganbura. Then Kanbura they said if you don't come tomorrow, all the Mojam village will arrest and will finish. They said that is why we came.
Okay.
Okay,
they did know what they have.
Okay, whatever.
Alam lagi lason yo netum ki wahdi. Mane pu mogilum apos pen aku borilong.
Alam is sitting pin PS for lola say gone is gone. Gone present situation ka discuss if anda discuss nang po.
Kali mane pini alam lo. An par pu kubor long lok lo netum jong si moje marat tum wang we pulute hada sport area an pare nak tum arrest po an par tum so finish po dak apos so police tum se dak ang bralong iko. So alam gina la tem who's that person who give us that of information? You must tell us that man and that your humga.
Okay.
Actually,
misunderstanding.
no sir. Alam ke di. Mane actually ne tum wang we dak ho.
Actually, हमारा जो
Anpar ke ne tum akubor ilong ro sir, let me finish my explain. Like this. Alam hedi. Anpar pu kubor lelo di. Anpar apos pen anpar dak kambura ne tum kambura kubor lelo. Anpar jong si nang tum pinap wang we las kali ne tum dak wang liha apos. Anpar ke ne tum pilo ne tum ha apos wang nangi. Pun ne tum ipu. Anpar hala sumunit afuni deng bangai nang tum jong si dak thanat wang we fulet nang tum mojama tum ekdom arrest hypo sop guli mari bo boleh kau isu ini kan? Begini kan? Kau boleh kan? Hah? Hilang saya dulu belum lah suap polis atau lembar begini. Kalista anpar hada control room kibahi inka kibak question kuanai control room logot kiba ami check korim. Itu nampak dei kamera nampak.
Kali tanang tumar lagi ten lewang chote melo. Alam mangge. Nang tumbang pakai.
La so alam lo netum dai bang. You listen all here, okay? Because we got the information from.
We have already fixed the date. No need to talk each other. Okay? We have already.
Documents. There should be proper boundary, proper border. Then only we can stop.
Border is already there. They will know the village
On the border. We will talk nicely. Let our BDO and all come, and we will settle it one and for all. We will settle it peacefully.
Peacefully.
We will settle it peacefully.
We want to
Yeah,
settle this matter peacefully.
रोज हम लोग को कमरा से बात कर रहे हैं दिल्ली हर सब हम लोग को ये बात कर रहा है ना ये बात कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया ना आप लोग भी क्या क्या बोलता है
We will talk it nicely. We will solve it nicely.
These things will know among the local people here.
Yes.
People from outside, they will not know about this situation.
Yes, we know. That is, you are living here. You know everything.
Yes. We have been living here since 80, 90 years.
The headman from the other village and your headman,
yes.
along with the BDO and all who are in charge, we will solve it nicely. If there are proper documents, we will check it. If there is not, we will search another way. We will find another solution how to solve it, so that there will be no more quarreling and no more talking about cement.
Without any information that
इमरजेंसी है ना अभी तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे खत्म किए नहीं तो फिक्स कीजिए डेट फिक्स कीजिए ना
actually they don't have right to enter directly without any information. They should give the information first, then only they have to come. We don't get
हिंदी बोलो असमीज बोलो इंग्लिश बोलो
Like this, since we have come, we will solve it. We will talk.
No, these things cannot be solved today. We have to get with our council head. There is our CM.
Yes, yes.
There is our KSA.
Yes, yes, yes.
With all this, we can solve this. Only with this villages head, we cannot solve this problem because this problem is not a small matter.
हम लोग तो ऐसा जागृत तो नहीं चाहिए।
नहीं शायद दोनों तो बाउंड्री है ना। 20 में तो आप लोग का मिलजुल के रहना चाहिए।
We can arrange that also. We will call our CEM. We will call our JCDC. Whoever concerned about the thing, we will solve it.
Since this place is fall under the Karbi Anglong, under the Assam, so the people who are in charge in the council, they will come and they will discuss about this.
If we can do that also. We can call our CEM. We can call our
Then
authorities.
this one was then not killing fast.
Amar patti phie ki man.
TV order there.
They are saying
Give you order to destroy all this.
Yes, yes, they have destroyed. They have no right to destroy. No, they have.
Last time we talked about we pay for the
Trong Seng, Assistant Senior, President of District, hadir mengilayo phone call pada city, nego mengilam senang jong senang mujem, bagladon, jingklun, higi jaka senang jongki, lagi karbi, pasak cakaput, senang matade, takaba mensua, takum bujing itu jongki, ki ong bagi ai kita ngajaka bandrep, kerang ba, ketang ba kim debat. Bankam try jaga, dari kadang ya kipor, kini karbi, kira lebor, tak kebasna yeng, bankam eno, sendon, ya gitu jaga, bagi rep, te bakaladon ru, kecing pen ibor, ngiling jong karbi, tengi banse, keseng, ngira her entah kesengi, sih, pasaki terlalu jong kiman, ban, hendangi po yang teh, kaladon kecing keren, apa deng, kinong ngilam senong jong karbi, ngilam senong jong senong mojem. Hendrai kecing keren kampoi CSA kila rai nak kawai karai ba ini bu kawai ketarik kenapa makiru kinun yalam ya kita ki authorities jongki ki he yahan jongki mana kirang jongi ru ya hi ban yalam ya ki bor an ki bade khmi yo pol sam ba gumju khendo siap bade ka bor district administration jongi bani penbek done pol sam hoj gajing sisa ya tv bagade senong ketika senong jong senong mujem bar kila don ru kisaki sabut kila don gikot kisla gi babiang ban pintikna bar kila tikna ru bagade sisa ketika bahap cepo senong mujem penegari yang jongi ngikeri dawa na sarkar bagade ban tuklar kloy halor gidi jing jia kaput kenang ba kanum jia kanu basungsi hadin ada kumni nya jia nya do cia do igimen sembrio kalau ke basungsi bar pintar hingi kum geseng negeri yang jungi irawa yang ke sarkar baga don traino marmar lebih no yo put usam kenang bakanum don su gono jingi kajia kejing kulun jogi karbi ye kijaka puta jogi priu jungi basa siksinong bodar panageleng jong geseng kwa ni ai mesin ye parado parasam jungi basa hakeleng purusam jongane kejela jungi bag ni kum keseng nginom ino epi nginom radin nakono jingi de longkat balong jagat baca ini ada lengkap barfi pada perasaan jungi kamtam ki basa sebodar pada kono kepor ba pidon kam ngilong ki bakloy perwan yirap epi bar ngi keparu ye ki bor an ngi keparu ye ki bor an ba kim dai than bantieng banlek cikput cekaput ceka sam jungi marba kelkum jingi jungi ba pulit asam hi jutieng bandrung sigi senong penar sigi ceka basa ki penar hendrai ki pulit jongi pan ki ong ba ka sarkar kamsha kam ai bor ki bikin lek seta hendrai kekut kikut tang hadu hamu koilum serum mu koilum kim don su ye ka bor ban hier na marba ka sarkar kamsha nanta kara leng jungi ngken tu ka sarkar ban ai bor ki pulit jongi ru bikin lek ek boran kam bikin lek siki senong ki thau jongi jodon hanya kaput tang ini kenten kubles bor